Hey guys, today we're at Lanigan Drive and 93. So we'll be pressing the button, and we're also going to see if there's any emergency vehicles, so we can get that activation from the Polara Navigator that tells us that there is one. Let's go. The Polara Navigator, I believe. We're waiting for a green signal. Looks like it's gonna get us next time around for this side. Looks like we'll just have to wait. Yep, there we go, yellow light. There we go. We got the Canadian 4-tone ring sound of a standard Fortran or Fortran single-handed signal. Alright, let's do this one now. It'll be red, so I'll just hold this down. We'll do this side. Since it's red in here, after that green arrow turns off, we'll get a walking signal. There we go. We got a different one this time. Ooh, oh, yep, we got another Polara Navigator here. Let's do it. Holding this one down. Same for this side. Alright, lastly, let's get it from this side. Oh, we got a walking man already. Holding it down doesn't seem to activate the noise when it's already on walking man. So I'll continue. There we go. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you back when there's an emergency vehicle and we get the activation. So see you then.